So the sound goes in the microphone, goes down the XLR into the wall box. So from the wall box it goes into a wire through there and it comes and connects to the patch bay, and then it goes to the mixing desk, which is here. So say if I had one, it would be down the strip one. So you've got the gain, the EQ settings, panning and level. And then it would go into the sound card of our computer, although we have one separately because for better quality. Then it goes into the computer software, which is we use Logic Pro. Then it goes back to the sound card, and then it goes to our monitors. Ta-da! Okay, so we have a guitar coming through, and we can tell by the green light. Turned up the levels, we've busted it by using 1 and 2, and then panned it left for 1, but you can also pan it for 2. But we only have 1 turned up, so let's turn it back. Okay, so then if we go along to the bus, that's 1, and we've turned that up there. You can also see up here as the sound's coming through. Now that goes to our overall levels, so we've got that quite high. So suggested is to you, and you can see that there's left and right, so we can pan the noises ourselves. Now if the mic to be so loud, I'd use the trim / gain, depending on what you like to use. We call it trim, and you can turn that down, and it just reduces the sensitivity of the mic. But we can turn it up. This is not the volume, as this is usually what causes feedback. Guitar, it's say if we had a high singer, we'd probably want to turn the high frequencies up and maybe turn the low ones down. But we've got a guitar, so we want to probably boost the middle and put a tiny bit on the high, maybe turn down the low bit. This can change varying on the type of guitar and how high it's actually been played. It's good to cut out background noise that you don't really want. If we're setting up a mic for a guitar, some people just go like that, oh, it gets the sound hole, it's fine. But to increase the quality, it's better to use an XY position. This is the XY position. This microphone collects the sound from the frets, and this one's just below the sound hole. They both kind of cross at the sound hole, which is where most of the noise comes out. This is a very good way to mic up a guitar because it gets the full sound, not just the plasticky sound that you get from maybe MIDI recording. Another way to mic a guitar is to have one pointing at the sound hole to get the full sound of the guitar, and one by fret 12, which is where you get all the sounds of the fingering going on in the notes.